Anand Bhaskar. I'm the CEO and MD of Airworks. Airworks is the largest MRO of the country, and we are also the oldest. We are celebrating our 74th year, and proud to be contributing to the country in the development of aviation sector. So I'm especially proud because I'm from this state, and coming to this state and winning the award, and not just one but 2 awards, is extra special for me, and I'm very thrilled and happy, and so is my team. I've got a big team here. We all have come for the event, and getting this award is extra special for us. See, for us, work was always happening. In fact, we haven't closed our business even for 2 months during COVID. So continuous work we have been doing. We come under essential services, and we are aware of our responsibility towards the country and towards everyone in terms of supporting the logistical support during the COVID, and also the maintenance support to all the airlines.
Really good to receive an award. A lot of hard work goes into actually running a private jet company, working in this market, working in this environment. So it's an excellent feeling, of course. So I think all of us love to be here for the simple reason that we were so sick of meeting each other on Zoom, on FaceTime, staring at phones. I used to always joke that Zoom has become the new private jet of the world, and it feels so good to actually physically be able to meet people, shake hands, say hi. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.